Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that restores well-being. It is performed elegantly and gently, with a high degree of concentration and attention to breathing deeply. It is the way to cultivate your inner strength in this digital age. In the Tai Chi workshop that I'm sharing with busy New Yorkers, actually the first step is to reconnect your body and mind with the world around you. By cultivating this physical awareness, actually is a way for us to gain better balance, better body posture, more flexible, and more elegant and efficient movement. For Tai Chi, you can practice any moment you want. You can practice while you're walking on the street. During those small intervals of meeting to meetings, you can practice. Utilize every boring moment to cultivate the physical awareness of your body and your mind. By cultivating this physical awareness, it is a crucial point to reconnect you with the world again.